Welcome, traders. So I've just had an interview with Itzik. He's recently passed the evaluation from 17.5K to $70,000. He's also done the STT course from Daniel's strategy with over 20 years experience. He's going to give you an insight into the psychology and his journey and any advice he can give future traders. So I hope you enjoyed this interview. Catch you guys later on the next one. Hey, Itzik, first of all, congrats on passing. You've done a fantastic job. Yeah, you know what? Just introduce yourself to the members and also just a brief explanation about your trading journey and experience.
Yes, first of all, like all of traders, I was trying loads of indicators and loads of EAs and expert, all kinds of things, quite a lot of years. I had good times, bad times, up and down, till I came to the end that I have to see for something without indicators. I can read the chart without no indicators and by myself and just get it. And I founded the CTI, the City Traders Imperium, and it was amazing, just amazing. I caught it very quick because I've got a lot of experience of looking at charts. It wasn't something new for me to just start it from new. I just caught it very quick, and it was amazing, really amazing, the strategy from Daniel.
Fantastic. Can you give the members just a brief explanation on how Daniel's STT works and how it's changed your trading? Because I was just looking at your trading statement, and I remember you were telling me that this is your performance on your account. Then you done the STT and you just went on a complete uptrend. Can you just explain to the members the shift in your trading performance when you started the STT at this level?
Just this point is money management. Like I was playing 0.25, the max was 0.50, I think, a half lot, and very, very tight stop loss. So you can't see it. When I lose, you can't see it even on the chart, on the screen. And when it's winners, it's bigger winners. When you feel you can play around in and out with this strategy also. When you've got a strategy of H4 or H1, I'm just going to low time frames and the break of structure and then going in and out, and can see lots of trades. You don't know why that lots of trades are, because it's the same strategy, but I'm going on lower time frames after, and when it's breaking structures, I'm just going in and with tight stop loss out.
Wow, yeah, fantastic. I mean, I could see it here. You can see that the equity curve is really, really small trades in and out, and you're really following risk compared to before where there's big drawdowns, big wins, big drawdowns. But this is really, really consistent. It's almost as perfect as an algorithm. Can you just give us an example of what is an STT? How does it work?
It works very simple. You have to go to the higher time frames, weekly, daily. First of all, where the trend is, how it's going, it's up or down. And then when it's playing around on the same place, it's going up, down, up, down. It makes it like a triangle, a nice triangle. You have to wait for your trade. If I will learn your art of whole strategy, nobody will buy it more.
That's very, very true. I mean, I'm so fascinated how just the consistency was incredible. Let's look at the trading statement, and I was looking at it earlier, and yeah, I mean, you can tell you've got experience in your trading management. You can tell you've got experience. You're a profitable trader anyway. And the STT, you precisely started it around the 58th trade, which is probably approximately around down here somewhere. And you can just see consistent wins, small losses, consistent wins, big wins here. You had a really, really, really good win rate. Fantastic win rate with a tiny little $2 loss, and you're winning $70, $100, $40, $132, but you're only taking a $2 loss. I mean, the risk management is fantastic, I must say. You've done a brilliant job. And also, the drawdown was really, really good as well, 1.96 with a profit factor of 2.14, which is above average. And believe it or not, the institutional hedge fund standard is an average of a 2.0. So you've got just above average of a institutional hedge fund trader. So fantastic. That's really, really good. Also, oh, wow, look at this. The win rate. Have you seen the win rate?
I didn't check it properly, no, but I can see.
Yeah, really good. 78. 0.45%. This is fantastic. You see, this is brilliant, to be fair.
I didn't take every old trades. You can relax. You don't have to watch your screens all day and all night and be with your iPhone and looking on your trade the whole time. Just relax. Really amazing. It's worth every penny.
Definitely. I mean, you passed with flying colors in the space of 2 months. I think you said in August or something, just a couple of months.
I was learning in 2 months, yeah. Something like that.
And then, you're going to scale up to $70,000. You're going to go from 17.5K to $70,000. And you're just going to keep scaling up 140K, 280. Eventually, you'll probably have 2 accounts at $4 million in value. So, you know what? Brilliant, fantastic. Have you got any advice for any future traders taking the evaluation?
Just go this way, contact with Daniel and go ahead with him. He's a professional trader. He's a really, really amazing trader. No bad word to say him, only good words. It's worth every penny. Even if it will take £5,000, just go ahead, go and take it. It's worth every penny.
100%. I'm pretty sure the viewers will definitely look at Daniel's 20-year experience and his strategy. But on that note, Itzik, again, welcome to the team and fantastic. I have to give you a round of applause. You've done a really, really, really good job. And thank you
very much.